Reis, dwi wedi dod i'r Zoo Môr yma'n Bryn Siencyn heddiw, a da ni'n mynd i Glanhau traeth.
We're doing a beach clean survey on our area of beach that we survey 4 times a year for the Marine Conservation Society. The survey is carried out globally, so it's a Beach Watch database survey, and there are different parts of the UK, different parts of the world where people have these sites that they always survey every season, and those results are then comparable to the same area to other areas, and that's how we get information on things like what the beach litter is, what the problems are, where they're coming from, how we can tackle it. We adopted the beach about 12 years ago, and we work a lot now, not just with Marine Conservation Society, with Keep Wales Tidy, Friends of Yangtze Coastal Path. A lot of people are now very involved in keeping the environment much nicer, but obviously it's useful as well on a sort of international scale, because we're not just working with the community to do it, but we're looking at the sort of global problem as well. So yeah, very important to what we do.
Wel, heddiw, fatha rhan o ymgyrch Glanhau, Moroedd Cymru, da ni'n Glanhau traeth yma yn Talaf Oil yn ymyl Bryn Siencyn. Mae gen i ni criw o wirfoddolwyr yma, rhai o'r AHNE, AOMB, Ynys Môn, maen nhw yma, mae yna criw o Dŵr Cymru yma hefyd, a criw o wirfoddolwyr y Zoo Môr Môn hefyd. Well, it's vitally important, you know, there's so much plastics and all kinds of rubbish coming down rivers and into our sea, so it's you know, it's an important part of the work that we do at Keep Wales Tidy, really.
And anybody can get involved, of course.
Absolutely. Now, well, between the 20th of September and the 20th of October, it's Marine Clean Cymru, and if anybody wants to get involved in any clean up a river or coast, then have a look at Keep Wales Tidy's website, and you know, it's throughout Wales over the next month now. So yeah, get involved, please.
Felly, na chi, chydig clywed Gareth, ymunwch yn y gwaith o Gadw Cymru